In the last video, we talked about how you can make more sales from affiliate marketing. In today's video, we are going to talk about how you can use Black Friday and Cyber Monday week to get more sales from your blog. We have been running Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals on BloggersPassion for the last 4 years. If I tell you how the journey has been so far, in the first year, we were able to make just $500 from our products during this week. In 2017, in the second year we were able to make $2,500. In the third year we were able to make $13,000 within a week, and in last year, that's fourth year, we were able to make $17,000 from the whole week. That includes the Black Friday week as well. So our journey has been improving. If you look at the first year, we just made $500 only, and after 4 years we are able to make $10,000 from our product during this week. If you want to get more sales for the products that you are promoting, so this is the best time to set up Black Friday pages on your blog. If you start working on Black Friday pages now, so you have around 5 months to create those pages and then optimize them so that they start ranking on Google for their targeted terms around the Black Friday event. Now the biggest question which comes is, who should go for Black Friday deals? So whichever industry you are in, so you just need to check the products that you are promoting on your blog. Do they offer any special deal or discount during Black Friday or Cyber Monday? You can also use Google to see the kind of contents is being pushed for those kind of queries. Like if you have a website or blog around watches, so you can just search on Google best watches Black Friday deals. You can also try specific products as well on Google and then Black Friday, Acri Boss watch Black Friday, or any other watch that you are promoting on your blog. So you just need to check if there was any deal around the products you are promoting on your blog earlier year. If there was a deal last year, so there is chance the same deal or maybe better deal will be coming for those products this year as well. So the only criteria for creating these deal pages is just to make sure the products that you are promoting, if they will be coming with some great deals during this year as well. So in today's video, we are going to talk about 3 things. One, creation of the Black Friday and Cyber Monday pages. That's the first part. Second part will be how you should be promoting those pages, and third part will be what you should be doing with those pages around the Black Friday and Cyber Monday week. Friends, in case you're liking our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon as well. Okay, now comes the first part, which is about creation of Black Friday and Cyber Monday pages. You should do some keyword research around the products and then append Black Friday keywords with that, and do some research using any keyword research tool. You can use Google Keyword Planner or any paid tools including SEMrush or Ahrefs for doing keyword research. You can even go for those keywords for which there is a monthly searches of maybe 50 or 100 as well. So how to do keyword research? You can just type in the product name and then Black Friday. It's like Bluehost Black Friday, HostGator Black Friday, SEMrush Black Friday. So you can just use your product and then append Black Friday term after that, and then search that thing in any of the keyword research tool. So from there you will get a idea of what kind of searches will be happening for that keyword around the event. So creation of pages around a particular product, that was the first part. Then you should also create aggregator pages like best Black Friday deals for web hosting, best Black Friday deals around SEO tools, best Black Friday deals around WordPress themes or plugins, or maybe or best Black Friday deals around laptops. So you just need to create the aggregated pages around the products you are promoting on your blog. So if you look at, we are also creating just 2 types of contents on our product. First around a particular product, and then those aggregated pages. So you should create all of these pages on your blog now in the next few days so that you have enough time to promote them. So creation of contents using your target keyword was the first part. Now let's talk about the second part, which is about promotion of the Black Friday and Cyber Monday pages. So how you should promote those pages? First, you should link to the Black Friday pages from your existing contents. You should link to them from high traffic pages wherever it makes sense. You can also link to them from the products pages that you have created on your blog. Suppose you are promoting Bluehost on your blog. Suppose you are promoting Long Tail Pro product on your blog. So you would have created some pages around that. Could be comparisons, reviews, so aggregators, or maybe how-tos. So you can just link to your deal pages from all of them. So internal linking was one part by which you can promote your Black Friday pages, and will also be able to send some targeted traffic to those pages around the event. Then you can also write some guest post on top blogs in your industry and link back to the deal pages from there. What else you can do? You can also make a list of top blogs in your industry and then start leaving comments on those blogs with your deal pages. You can also create reviews on your blog with the upcoming Black Friday deals. You can also create videos and upload them on YouTube while linking back to your deal pages. So there are lots of methods. You can also link to your deal pages from your interviews or maybe from Quora kind of question answer websites where it makes sense to add a link to them. So there are lots of ways by which you can link back to your deal pages. So this was the second part. Now third part, which is what you should be doing around the Black Friday, or you can say that when the actual event will be happening. First of all, you should update all of your deal pages as and when the deal for this year will be live. Then you can push all of the deal pages to your home page as the deal will be going live. When the deal will be live, or maybe for a week, you can also link to the deal pages from the highest traffic pages on your blog so that you are able to send maximum traffic to your deal pages during that week. If you have some budget, you can try Facebook ads to send more targeted traffic to your deal pages. So this was the whole process that you can use to get more sales for the targeted products during Black Friday and Cyber Monday week. Let me just revise it again. First, you need to create those deal pages on your blog. Second, you need to promote them. And third, you need to update them and send maximum traffic the way you can send to those deal pages during the Black Friday. Friends, we have been working on Black Friday deals for the last 4 years, and for us it's not the case ki we started making big money from Black Friday week for the first year only. It took us some time basically. We have been keep on improving every year. So if you don't get the best results or desired results in the first year, you should just keep on working on your Black Friday pages every year so that they get better. And don't forget to keep a check on all of your learnings and mistakes from the first year and try to work on them before the next year. So I hope all of these tips will help you get more sales for your targeted products during Black Friday and Cyber Monday this year. Friends, in case you are aiming at making more sales from your blog, I think this is the best time to set up these pages on your blog, because 5 months is a good time to create those pages and build some backlinks and promote them so that they are able to do well around the actual event.